everyone, it's Unathi. Welcome back to my channel.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you do?
Hey everyone, it's Unathi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the most highly requested video on my channel. So if you guys aren't aware, I actually edit my videos on my iPhone XR. Yeah, this video is a how I edit on my iPhone. This has been so highly requested. You guys don't even understand. Like, you guys have wanted this video for a long time, and it's finally here. So, but before we get into the video, just please make sure you're subscribed to my channel because we are on the road to 6,000 subscribers. I just can't believe I'm saying that. Yeah, we're only 200 and something away. So yeah, I'd really like it if you did subscribe and join the fam. We're gonna start with the apps that I use. My main editing app is VLLO, and then I also use Video Star, CapCut, and Frontal. The main editing app I use is VLLO. I have the premium version, but but the free version is really good as well. It's just with the premium version you get a little more cooler stuff, I guess. So first things first, when editing my videos, I just gather all my clips and do rough cuts. By this I mean, you see me looking down, I have notes on my iPad, by the way, and by this I mean cut out any unnecessary clips, because sometimes I stutter on my words, for example, or say things like yeah, we don't want that in our videos, okay? And any long pauses that I have, and nobody wants to see that. So yeah, the next thing I do is put in my effects after doing the rough cuts, and for this I mean zoom ins, the zoom outs, wavy text, and stuff like that. Things that will keep my viewers entertained for much longer. I feel like adding effects like text, sound effects, just cool effects keeps your viewers there, because just having a plain video won't keep the viewers there for longer. So I just feel like that's necessary, and it just makes your video look more cute, okay? So I want to show you guys how I do my zoom ins. So for my zoom ins, I go on my VLLO app, and this is pretty easy. So I take any clip and there's a partial setting button. I'll show you guys a screen recording of me doing that. There's a partial setting button, and I just turn that on, and then it will come with a little diamond shape at the start, and then I go to the end of the clip that I want to zoom in through, and then I tap on the partial setting there as well, and then it just zooms in through it. Or for zoom ins, I just split the clip into one clip that I want to zoom in, and then I just zoom that in and then leave it for the rest. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to show you guys how I actually do it though, so because I'm not very good at explaining stuff. And then I wanted to show you guys also how I do the trembling shaky screen, when the video is a bit chaotic or the clip is chaotic. I put the shaky screen, and for that I just go to my animations for the clip that I want to tremble, and then I go, so there's animations for in, animations for all through the clip, and then animations for out. So I go to the animations for all through the screen, and then I just swipe all the way, and then the last one is the tremble one, and then that's how I make the shaky type of effect, okay? And then I want to show you guys also how I do the fisheye effect. So that's when it's just a funny clip, so then I just put that in. So for the fisheye effect, I go on the filter icon on my VLLO. So I go on the filter icon, and then there's a icon that says effect, and then I tap on that, and then you'll see it's called convex lens, and then that's the fisheye type of effect, and you just put that on there and put it on the clip that you want, and then yeah, that's how I get the funny. The next category is text. First of all, I want to let you guys know where I get my text cool fonts from. I get them from defont.com, where you can there's many different fonts, so you just tap on it and download, and then I can install it into my VLLO. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that on the screen as well. So yeah, that's where I get my cool fonts from. But I'd say the fonts that I use are like Helvetica Bold, Helvetica New Bold Italic. There's many different fonts, and I like using Helvetica as well. I use many different fonts, but yeah. So for that, I go on my text, and then you can choose to add an effect on your text, and then there's many types of glitches, like you can choose between those. Yeah, so that's how I get my glitchy text personally, but I've seen other people do it different ways, but that's how I get it. And then for my wavy text, like my like the Final Cut Pro type wavy underwater text, you guys have asked me a lot how I do that, because that's kind of known to be for Final Cut Pro only, but then I found a way to do it without Final Cut Pro. So basically I use the app Video Star, and I go on there, and I'm just going to show you guys a clip of me explaining how I do it to you guys, because it's really hard to explain without actually seeing it. So I'm gonna insert a clip in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, the first thing I do is go on the app Funto, and what I do there is I tap plain images and I create a new image, and then I go on any color, but make sure it's not the color for your text, obviously. So I like going with green because it's more of a green screen type of effect, but you can go with any color. To be honest, I'm just gonna go with pink for this one, with purple, so I can show you guys that you can do it with pretty much any color. So then I just go use, and then I just type in anything that I want. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna type in. I'm just gonna type in my channel name, maybe. Oh, I like typing in lowercase letters, especially my name as well. I don't know, my channel name too. So what I do is I just click on that, and I put it over there, and then I press save image. Okay, after that I go on my VLLO, whatever y'all call it, and then I tap on new project, and I take this. Basically, you have to make it a video with sound. I'll let you guys know, you'll see why afterwards. So you can just put like pretty much any sound. It's just got to have like any sound pretty much. So I'll just put this song on it, and then it doesn't even have to be that long. It depends on how long you want your text to be there for. And then I'll just save that. And then once that is saved, I go on the actual app Video Star, and I tap to create, and you say edit a video. And then you go tap on the video that you did. And why you have to add sound to the video is that Video Star doesn't allow you to edit a video if it doesn't have sound on it. So yeah. So then you just tap on the video that you want to select, and then make video. Then once you've done that, you just tap new re-effect, and then add over there, and then you want to go on the search button and search turbulence, and it will probably come up. There's different types of turbulence, but you want to select these turbulence ones, these ones. So then you can put any type of, I like using turbulence 2 or 3, any pretty much, but I usually use 3. So it kind of, you can make it slower, really wavy, mid, or just still. There's no use there, but I like going kind of towards the slower, like less intense type end. But yeah, enough to make it look like it's waving, but not like that, but just like here. It depends on how you want yours to be like. And then you just tap down there, and then you press quick FX, and then once that's done processing, you tap that X button and then send to camera roll. It's a pretty long process, like I told you guys. Send to camera roll. Once you've done that, let's say I want to add it maybe to this video that I'm currently editing. I might go like, I want to edit maybe to here. I just tap PIP and then go on video, tap that, and I go like that. Then what I do is I go to chroma key and then select that purple part, and then you have that wavy text, and you go like that. Okay, and make sure to mute it because you don't want your sound going over the sound. And then that's how it looks. How I do it to you guys, because so yeah, that's how I do my wavy text. And yeah, that's how I do my Final Cut Pro wavy underwater text type thing. So like I said, just adding cool effects here and there and text of what you're saying, blah blah blah. It just keeps your viewers entertained for much longer, which increases your audience retention, and it just overall makes it a more interesting video to watch. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about your YouTube analytics, how to grow your channel, I have a video. I'm gonna put the thumbnail of the video over here, and I'm also gonna link it in the description box below. I do have a video where I do give tips on how to grow your channel, how to start a channel, the equipment, the editing, and everything like that. I have a whole video on just how to grow your channel on YouTube in general. And yeah, the next thing I do after doing my rough cuts, adding my effect, I do the sound effects and music. For my music, I use THEMATIC. THEMATIC is a website that offers non-copyright music for only $8 slash £5 a month, and I would 1000% recommend this website. It's absolutely amazing, and yeah, it offers so much music. So you guys always ask like, where's your music from? Like, your music's so good, like where'd you get your music from, like aesthetic music type stuff, and I get it from THEMATIC. All you have to do is just they'll give you like links to the music that you have to put in the description, and then that's it. You literally get no copyright issues whatsoever. Even when you go to getting monetized like I am right now, you won't have any issues with copyright, so you'll be getting your bag. To start using THEMATIC, use my link down below for 1 month free of THEMATIC Premium, and yeah, definitely go do that. That website is amazing, you guys. I'm not even saying it because I'm saying it. I'm saying it because it is, okay? And yeah, so now I'm gonna get into the sound effects. For my sound effects, I get most of them from VLLO, which it comes with installed sound effects like the mouse click, like different mouse clicks, and I also just search on YouTube for like mouse click sound effect, typing sound effects, like anything like that. YouTube's got you, okay? But make sure to use the non-copyright ones, because no, but I don't think you can necessarily get copyrighted on sound effects. I don't know. So what I do once I've done my rough cuts, added my effects, my music and text, what I do after that, because I like to go an extra mile because I'm extra like that, I go ahead and make a montage, so a kind of teaser for how the video is gonna be and what the video is gonna look like and what it's about in general. I just like making these cute montages because I find it so cute and aesthetic, and I just find them really cute and aesthetic. So what I do is I put them at the start of the video. You probably saw one for this video, I'm not really sure, but yeah, put cute overlays on it and stuff like that, and cute effects, which I find really cute, and it kind of lets your audience know about like, this is how the video is gonna go, you know? So yeah, I also wanted to show you guys how I add the like nice retro type effect on my videos. I use CapCut, and I'm gonna put it on the screen over here. So what I do is I go on CapCut, and then they have an effect little icon. I tap on that, and then they have many, but I tend to use the retro effects. So there's so many, and you just click on that and then swipe it throughout the section of the video that you want, or yeah, and stuff like that, and then you just save it, and voila. I prefer using CapCut since it's less work, okay? But yeah, so once I've done all of that, I then put my intro. It's either before the montage of the video or after the montage. It just depends on how I'm feeling and what I want to do in general. So yeah, if you guys want a video on how I made my intro, because you guys really love it for some reason, I think it's cute. I think it's cute as well. But like, if you guys want a tutorial on how I did that, I would definitely look into making that for you guys, because I want to help you guys, okay? I want to let you guys know, okay? Like I said, no gatekeeping here. Once I'm all done with that, I put my outro at the end of the video, and beforehand I didn't actually have a set outro, but then I made one like earlier on today, and I'm in love with it. I'm gonna show you guys here. is probably gonna come a little after this, but I'm gonna show you guys here. I'm in love with that outro and I think it's really cute. So yeah, if you guys want a video on how I made my intro and outro, I'm definitely gonna make that for you guys. Like, I want to help you guys as much as I can and to make your channels cute and aesthetic and like pretty. Yeah, so if you guys want a more in-depth how I edit video, I'll definitely put that for you guys, because this one was kind of going through what I do and mostly what you guys have asked for, like the effects and how I add those. That was a lot of talking, okay? That was a lot of talking, but I hope this video helped you guys in some way. I hope this answered all your questions that you've had on how I edit my videos and just how I add certain effects that you guys always ask me how I add. So yeah, if you guys have any other video requests, questions, anything like that, comment down below, okay? And also subscribe and support your girl, because I'm almost 60 today. Who do you think I am? I'm almost at 6K, so definitely subscribe and comment down this emoji if you watched the whole video, because if you did, you're honestly amazing and gorgeous and you're beautiful and I'm beautiful. And yeah, but yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. You are amazing, stay amazing. I love you all, and toodles. Bye.